Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, August 3rd, and this is my full top-down analysis for the pound dollar. And we're starting off at the monthly time frame, working our way all the way down to the 1 hour. So we had big moves on Friday because of non-farm payroll, so that was definitely pretty exciting. The monthly time frame on the pound dollar definitely did engulf down, so we are definitely either in a pullback to this wave up right here, like this, or we are actually, this is a ABC crescent, and this is actually now going down, and it was actually just a crescent to this last wave down, and now it's just gonna go all the way back down to these lows. So either way, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we definitely do have a break of structure on the weekly. We definitely got engulfing down on the monthly. Kind of tells me that there's a pretty good chance that this is going to go down in a much bigger way than it already has. Going down to the daily time frame. So if this was a 1 and a 2 and a 3, then it needs to pretty much just continue down like this. If it's a wave 3, it needs to just keep on going down, making lower lows, lower highs on this time frame. If it's an A, B, C correction to the last 5 waves up right here, these 5 waves up, then potentially it could turn now, and it looks like it is trying to turn, and potentially end up continuing the uptrend. So we have to keep an eye on it. August is also known for being a very overlapping month. So I mean, we could get more of a complex, pattern, something like this, like a 333 pattern, or maybe a 335 pattern, like a flat or a WXY pattern. But anyways, let's head down to the 4 hour time frame because on the 4 hour we definitely do have some sort of a breakup. So this wave right here is over. Doesn't mean that this possibly couldn't just make a correction to this wave and then later on go down. But right now we should be looking for logs and either expecting it to make higher highs, higher lows like this, or expecting to see more of a overlapping pattern like this, and then potentially a Fibonacci bounce in the continuation of the downtrend. So either way, we should be looking for logs right now. If I zoom out on the 1 hour time frame, I have my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down right here. These Fibonacci levels should act as areas of resistance on the way up. If this is now going back up on the weekly time frame and it's the continuation of that big uptrend, then it pretty much needs to, it can bounce from Fib levels, but it needs to make higher highs, higher lows if it is a trend reversal like that. If it's not, then it potentially could start making, very overlapping waves up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and then turn down very significantly. So right now, I would suggest looking for longs. If it turns into a very overlapping pattern, we'll know that it's a correction to this move down. If it's a very impulsive pattern, making higher highs, higher lows, then we'll know that the weekly time frame uptrend is back on. So that's when we look for longs and hopefully learn and earn at the same time, whether it's a correction or whether it's a new impulse. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxspeculator.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.